kwakunini ngihlele bangingizama uyaphezulu kwakunini ngibuye impilo kungadangani wemawaye. And now I'm ready and futhi axegi angeke mina nitshelele nangifosi isekazini emathanje nami ayikulunkulu ngiyazozokhumbula nami. I've been living a miserable life, I've been down too much, I've been working on myself each and every day, I've been praying for better days. Sekhathele ulala mthola